Hello friends, welcome to my channel Clinical Biochemistry by Dr. P.K. Prabhakar. Today I am going to talk about a new disease which is we are going to call it Monkeypox virus. So the question is, are we heading towards another pandemic? The world has not been on the corona pandemic till now completely. In the meantime, monkeypox has created a new terror, but it is known that the monkeypox disease is not the new for us. Yet people didn't have a very clear idea about this disease. However, there are many research groups are doing the research on this disease, and they are going on for a long time. It is learned that the research on the disease has been going in the Britain since 2018, and since 2018 to till 2021, a total of 7 people have got means they have been detected with the monkeypox virus, and this result has been published also in the Lancet journal, which is a very famous journal. We will see details about this monkeypox virus, their symptoms, what are the signs, what are the different treatment available we are having, and how we can protect us, what are the signs and symptoms for this one. So if you see this monkeypox virus, this is a rare disease, okay, and which is caused by the monkeypox virus. If you see the fatality rate means how means it is going to be fatal for the people. So roughly the fatality rate of people infected with the monkeypox is less than the 10%. The monkeypox has two major strains, namely the fatal Congo strains with up to 10% mortality, and the West African strains, which is the fatality rate of roughly only 1% in the total cases. So the case detected in the UK are of the West African strain. So I have already told you West African strain is having only 1% fatality rate, whereas the Congo strain, which is the very fatal, and they are having roughly 10% of the fatality rate. The strain which is Australia is currently investigating its first case. The case fatality rates are found to be higher among the children's. WHO, according to WHO, they say that in certain recent incident, the cases fatality rate also has been found to 3% to 6%. So according to the United States CDC, the monkeypox virus belong to the orthopox virus genus and the family of Pox Virus. This orthopox virus genus is also includes other viruses also, which we are knowing since long time, that is variola virus, which normally going to cause the smallpox, vaccinia virus, which we have used for the development of the smallpox vaccine, and the cowpox virus. So this monkeypox virus belong to the same family, same genus, orthopox virus. So there we are having means along with this monkeypox virus, we are having 4 commonly known virus in the same family. Now, why this virus is called as monkeypox virus, and what is its relation with the human being? The monkeypox was first discovered in 1958 when outbreak of the pox-like disease occurred in the colonies of monkey which is kept for the research. Hence, it is called as a monkeypox virus. So this disease was first discovered in the monkey, in those monkey which was kept for the research purposes. The first human case for this disease was reported in 1970 in the Dominican Republic of the Congo, and from there only we have got this Congo strain, which is having the highest or the 10% mortality rate. During a period of intensified effort to eliminate smallpox, since that time 1970, this monkeypox has been reported in many different African countries or the West African countries like Cameroon, Central African Republic, Cameroons, Dominican Republic of Congo, Gabon, Liberia, Nigeria, Republic of Congo, and many other African countries. The majority of the infections are in the Democratic Republic of Congo only. Now, what is the carrier of this monkeypox? Means how it is going to be spread out. While the natural reservoir of this monkeypox remains unknown, so we don't have any such information, means understanding or information till now that which organism or what is the natural reservoir. But the African rodents and the non-human primates like monkeys, they harbor this virus and infect people according to CDC. The monkeypox virus is a contagious in the sense that it spreads through close contacts. The preliminary causes from which the spread among human was evident were a spillover from the animal host and in between the humans. While the monkeypox virus does not spread easily among people, the cases in which transmission has occurred has been generally through contacts with the body or body fluids, blood, saliva, or respiratory tract fluids. This monkeypox source also releases some of the fluids, and through that fluids also it is going to be spread over. So if you'll see the sign and symptoms for this one, like it is, this is the how it is going to be spreaded. Rodents or the non-human primates or some of the arboreal rodents. From there roughly we are getting into the human. Now, so how it is going to be spread out? So primary animal and typically rodents, either it will be African rodents or the non-human primates. So through bite, through scratches, or the consumptions of bush meats. Through that one we are getting from those animals. Or it is also going to be transmitted through human to human. Transmission is also possible, but very limited, through close contacts only with the infected respiratory tract secretions and the skin lesions. So like monkey pox cells we are having, and like monkeypox boils we are having, from that one normally fluids are going to be released, and through those blisters or the pox we are going to get it. Now if you see the sign and symptoms of this one, so roughly in this case we are having the intense headache, swollen lymph node, because whenever our immune system is going to be activated, normally lymph nodes will be swelled up. Then backache, chills, exhaustion, fever, rashes on the throughout the body. It starts with the mouth and then it is slowly moving other parts of the body. Okay. So the primary symptom, if you will see, the primary symptom of monkeypox is that the virus that cause visible bumpy rashes and the pox all over the body. Apart from the pox, monkeypox can result into the fever also and severe body pain. Other symptoms include like fever, headache, muscle pain, swollen lymph nodes, chills, exhaustion. So the illness begins with these are the different symptoms which just now I have told you. Within 1 to 3 days, sometimes it may take more than the 3 days also, after the appearance of the fever, the patients develop a rashes on throughout his body, which starts from the mouth and later on it is going to be spread over all over the body, often belonging to the face and then spreading all over the body parts. And lesion prolongs through the following stages before falling out. Whatever boils or you can call it pox blisters, they have different stages like macules, papules, vesicles, pustules, and then lastly it will be in scabs. The illness typically lasts for 2 to 4 weeks. In Africa, monkeypox has been shown to cause death in as many as 1 to 10% who contacts the disease or who are going to get infected with the diseases. Okay. Now, till now, currently, this is the data of 25th of May. So till today, it is going to be. It has been confirmed that means 21 country have got this disease. Means it is spread throughout the 21 different stages. Countries, and these are those 21 different countries. Like it is alphabetically arranged. It is not according to the number, but Australia, Austria, Belgium, Canada, Czech Republic, Denmark, England, Finland, France, Germany, Israel, Italy, Netherlands, Portugal, Scotland, Slovenia, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, UAE, and USA. These are the 21 different countries where more or less cases have been detected till now. Now, according to the researcher, it is possible that get an idea about the presence of monkeypox in the body only by different examinations. So, how we are going to diagnose it, how we are going to detect it. So, monkeypox in the body only by through the examination of blood or through the saliva we can detect it. The situation of the virus is getting more and more serious around the world day by day. So we require a sophisticated and confirmatory tools by which we can diagnose the disease. So as number of patients suffering from monkeypox is increasing, and researchers in different part of the world are trying to figure out how to keep the infection on the disease under the control. However, There is a lot of discussion among about this disease and among the scientists, but for now no patient has been found with this disease in India. We don't have even a single cases. We have seen just now in the list of 21 countries, and out of those 21 India is not there. But we need to take precautions. We need to be more conscious about that one, more vigilant about that one. During the current outbreak and any episode of the new onset fever and rashes should be suspected as the monkeypox, particularly in the patient with lymphadenopathy, where lymph nodes will be swollen up. The rash usually first presents in the mouth and then spread to the face and extremities with the centrifugal distributions. And one of the confirmatory tests is PCR test can be done of the skin lesion or the fluid is confirmatory for this infections. So you can see this is the picture how it is going to be happen. So on through it starts on the mouth and then throughout the body, we means the infected person will have the small lesions, that is you can call it blister like. So it is looking like a smallpox only because the virus is also in the same family, but it is not exactly a smallpox, it is different. Now what is the treatment of this one? Do we have any kind of treatment or any possibility is there? So a standard of the care of monkeypox has not been yet. We don't have any specific treatment for that one. The study even claimed that the patient recovered quickly with the use of some of the medicines. And what are those medicines? Like smallpox antiviral medicines. For example, cidofovir, brincidofovir or techisoviramat can be effective modalities. In this case, applying two important drugs, that is brincidofovir and tecovirimat, that has been approved by US FDA for this smallpox. Although researchers are not very sure about the effectiveness of these drugs, these agents must be reserved for managing cases with the severe monkeypox cases and treating of the immunocompromised individual, as we don't have too much of information about that one, effectiveness of that one. Till now we have not about any specific treatment or any effective vaccines also of that one. So roughly this is the sum up of this whatever we have done till now. What is monkeypox? So it is a virus transmitted either through rodents to the animal, means animal to the human by different animals. It may be rodents, it may be non-human primates, or human to human also, but in the close contact only. The first incident of in the human in 1970 in the Congo. What are the symptoms? Two important symptoms: high fever and after 3 days normally we are going to have blister like throughout the body. Then headache, body pain, swollen lymph nodes, rashes all over the body. That is the sign and symptom of this one. The incubation period for this disease is roughly 6 to 16 days, and symptoms roughly it will last in 2 to 4 weeks. How to avoid? So avoid close contact with the animals, eating fleshes from them, or if you have seen any kind of person who is having such type of symptoms, normally isolate them and pay attention for the hygienic conditions, hygienic things. What are the treatments? Use of smallpox vaccines or antiviral drugs can be one of these precautionary medicines which can help. A new vaccines was approved in 2019 but not yet widely available. Gynoes, that is a vaccine registered in the US, has been licensed to prevent monkeypox infection in the country. So this is one of the vaccine in the US which is just registered for the monkeypox management. So this is roughly all about the monkeypox virus, how it is going to spread, and because it is going rapidly, very fastly, very rapidly, it is spreading. So that's why we need to take precautions. We have to so hope we can overcome from this one. Otherwise, it will be a new pandemic after the COVID. So this is all about. So hope you have understand it. If you have any query, any comments, you can write in the comment box. If you are not subscribed my channel, you can subscribe it. You can follow me on various social networking sites. You can ask your query, you can ask your questions. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.